OnePlus 15 camera samples released, showcasing LUMO imaging power. And this marks a historic turning point for OnePlus because earlier today the company officially announced conclusion of its long-standing partnership with Swedish camera maker Hasselblad, a collaboration that began back in 2021 and lasted 4 years, delivering improvements in color science, portrait tones, and professional-level controls. But now OnePlus has confirmed in official statements across its global and Chinese platforms that the cooperation has been successfully completed, and that while the partnership ends here, the results of their joint research will continue to live on in OnePlus's very own imaging algorithms, meaning that Hasselblad's DNA remains deeply rooted in OnePlus's camera experience even after the split. And alongside this major announcement, OnePlus also revealed its next bold step in smartphone photography, the debut of its in-house Detail Max imaging engine, a self-developed technology that will become the heart of its future imaging strategy, integrating years of expertise gained from Hasselblad while pushing forward into its own direction in computational photography. And this is important because it proves OnePlus is no longer leaning on external names to validate its camera system, but instead is confident in leading the next stage of imaging innovation itself. And the excitement doesn't stop there because the upcoming flagship, OnePlus 15, will be the first device to debut this new approach, featuring a major upgrade with the LUMO Condensed Light Imaging system, a technology that was first introduced by OPPO earlier this year on the Find X8s series. And now it arrives in the OnePlus lineup as a game-changing addition designed to enhance portrait bokeh with natural depth separation, improve motion capture for fast-moving subjects, and upgrade telephoto performance with cleaner zoom details, essentially combining advanced optical engineering with AI-driven computational algorithms to deliver the kind of high-end imaging that smartphone users crave. And to give fans an early taste, OnePlus has already released preliminary camera samples from the OnePlus 15, showcasing the LUMO system with an 85mm focal length and an f/2.8 aperture. And these images demonstrate rich color reproduction, excellent detail preservation, and realistic rendering, offering a first glimpse at the flagship's ability to capture lifelike portraits and sharp telephoto shots. And according to industry observers, the OnePlus 15 will not only benefit from the LUMO Condensed Light Imaging system, but will also inherit powerful self-developed algorithms through the OPPO Group's shared R&D framework, meaning that this is not just a standalone OnePlus development, but rather a carefully crafted advancement built on group-wide innovation, positioning the phone as one of the most competitive imaging devices of its generation. And looking ahead, OnePlus also signaled a broader strategic shift beyond cameras, emphasizing that while imaging will remain a cornerstone, the company intends to sharpen its focus on performance segment, ensuring that the OnePlus 15 is not just a camera phone, but also a powerhouse for speed, gaming, multitasking, and all-around flagship performance. And in addition, OnePlus hinted at exploring new directions for brand collaborations, moving away from purely camera-based partnerships like Hasselblad and limited edition anime, or pop culture collaborations, instead pointing toward future ventures into motorsports or sports-themed co-branding opportunities, which would tie into a performance-driven brand image, making OnePlus more appealing to audiences who value both power and lifestyle. And this marks a fresh chapter in OnePlus's evolution, balancing its strong imaging legacy with a renewed emphasis on raw power and design innovation, and with the unveiling of Detail Max imaging engine and the integration of LUMO technology, the OnePlus 15 is being positioned as a pivotal flagship for the company, showing that even without Hasselblad, OnePlus can confidently compete with heavyweights like Apple, Samsung, and Google in the smartphone camera race, while simultaneously reminding the world of its roots in performance and speed. And fans can expect the device to be formally introduced later this year, likely in a global launch event where OnePlus will highlight both its imaging breakthroughs and its powerful new hardware, which could include next-gen chipsets, larger batteries, faster charging, and advanced display technology, all working together to create a complete premium flagship experience. And if the early samples are anything to go by, the LUMO system paired with the Detail Max imaging engine will deliver sharper portraits, smoother video, clearer zoom, and more balanced photography in every scenario. And this is crucial because today's smartphone buyers are demanding uncompromising quality in every aspect, from content creation to day-to-day performance. And OnePlus appears ready to deliver exactly that. So as anticipation builds for the OnePlus 15, one thing is clear. This is more than just another phone release. It is the dawn of a new era for OnePlus cameras and overall strategy. And for those of you who love tech, photography, and performance, this is definitely a phone worth watching. And we will keep you updated on all the latest developments, because the OnePlus 15 might just be the flagship that defines 2025. And this is TechVerse.